No? But let me just take this opportunity to set in context kung ano ba yung ginawa natin ngayong umagang ito as part of our celebration of Pro-Life Month. At napakaganda dahil yung ating Ebanghelyo ngayon ay parang pinili talaga para sa ating pagdiriwang ngayong why? Because we continue to read today from the Sermon on the Mount. And here, Jesus is speaking to His followers and to us. At ang ginamit ni Jesus dito ay dalawang imagery. Two imagery that are very familiar to us. Sabi nga, you are salt of the earth and you are light of the world. Alam niyo po, in biblical times and during the time of our Lord, salt and light are very important. Unang-una, salt. Why? Because salt is considered during that time as a rare commodity. Ngayon, para sa atin, walang halaga ang asin. Kasi ang dami-dami nating asin. No? Meron tayong natural salt, meron tayong iodized salt, meron tayong rock salt, meron tayong yellow salt, at iba't ibang uri pa ng mga salt. No? Pero sa kanila, wala silang mga ganong technology to manufacture different kinds of salt. Talagang, kapag nakakita sila ng salt noon, it's a rare commodity. Kaya nga may mga biblical scholars na nagsasabi, during that time, salt was sometimes used as a salary for workers, as a salary for laborers. Kapag nagtrabaho sila, minsan ang ibinabayad sa kanila asin. At kapag sila ay nakatanggap ng asin, tuwang-tuwa na sila because it's a rare commodity. Eh pag ngayon binayaran nyo yung mga kasambahay nyo ng asin, baka iba to sa iyo yan pabalik, no?